Hey friends, if you wish to adjust DPI scaling level on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display. You'll have this option for scale here. I keep it at the recommended value, and the recommended value depends upon the computer. For some computers it's 100%, for some it's 150%, for some it's 125%. Simply select the recommended value. That's what I do. But you can change it to 100% or 150%, and rather you can also change it to a custom size like 112%. But please read this. You shouldn't change these settings unless you really need to. It can cause text and apps to become unreadable. All your displays will be set to the custom scaling size, and it can be very difficult to go back to your original settings. Okay, so you got the point. Now when if you know what you're doing, then you can change it, but I usually recommend against that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.